Description: made of soft silicone material, stretchable, soft touch, and durable grip. Durable material for long-time service. With 3 buttons, made-to-fit design, direct fit your own vehicle key, personalize your remote key, keep your car unique and eye-catching. A perfect key case that can protect your keys from scratching, cracks, damage, marks, and dust. Case size and button positions will match well. Importantly, it doesn't affect the signal transmission. Easy installation. Direct replacement, no tool needed. Smooth lined surface, the cover is easily fitted on and can be removed in seconds. This is a non-OEM product, accessory only. Specification: material, silicone. Color, black. Key fob cover button, 3 buttons. Dimension: 70x35 by 18 mm, 2.76 by 1.38 by 0.71, L*W*H. Fitment: for Fiat 500 Viaggio Ottima Tipo. Installation tips: take out the key fob cover. Put your car remote key on the cover. The installation is finished. Note: key shell only, no interior electronics inside. Only fit for keyless entry remote. Please check the size and shape carefully before purchasing to ensure you get the right key shell. Package included: 1x key fob cover. Top reviews from the United States. Protects my key fob. Good. Protects my key fob, which I had dropped several times and was worried about damaging. Easy to put on the key. Key works fine with this cover on. Would love other colors like white or red or light blue to match my car. But the gray looks fine, it's a very light gray.